Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To be,
いる、
to have,
持つ、
to do,
する、
to go,
行く、
to come,
来る、
to see,
見る、
to know,
知る、
to think,
思う、
to say,
言う、
to want,
欲しがる、
to give,
あげる、
to take,
取る、
to use,
使う、
to find,
見つける、
to tell,
伝える、
to work,
働く、
to call,
呼ぶ、
to feel,
感じる、
to try,
試す、
to ask,
聞く、
to need,
いる、
to become,
なる、
to leave,
出る、
to put,
置く、
to mean.
意味する、
Quiz time.
呼ぶ、呼ぶ、使う、使う、知る、知る、あげる、あげる、いる、いる、行く、行く、
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.